Yeah. Hi guys, I'm gonna sing the Climb, and I'm only gonna sing a little bit of the lyrics because I forgot the rest, and so hope you like it, okay? What? Okay. I can almost see that dream I'm dreaming. There's a voice inside my head saying you'll never reach it. Every step I'm taking, every move I'm making, I have no direction. My faith is shaking, but I gotta keep trying. Gotta keep my head held high, 'cause there's always gonna be another mountain. I'm always gonna wanna make it move. Always gonna be an uphill battle. Soon I'm gonna have to lose. Ain't about how fast I get there. Ain't about what's waiting on the other side. Is the climb. Okay, so yeah, that's what I got for today. So, like I said, I won't sing all of it. Okay, so hope you guys comment and hope you guys like it too. Bye.